What is good, guys? Today I was thinking it feels kind of like a GKTech day. So I called up my friend Phil and he came with the goods. Well, actually no, I had them inside for like the last 6 months. But I needed someone to help bleed my brakes. So Phil came. If you don't know Phil, he has a cool YouTube channel. He's an American that lives on base here and he has a Aoba-Ku jet, which we'll get to look at later. Maybe we'll have some fun. Anyways, we're gonna install braided brake lines, ABS delete kit, and a clutch braided line kit, I guess is what you'd call it.
Yeah.
Cool, sweet. So me and Phil, we're gonna tag team this job. He's gonna do the ABS delete job, and I'm gonna do the brake lines for all the calipers and just hit every corner of the car. And we'll have to do that rear left one when we can push the car back, because as you guys know, driveway, neighbors, we gotta do funky things. So, this is also the clutch line, and then this is the ABS delete kit. That looks like a lot of fun, so I'm glad you're doing it, Phil.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Sweet, cool. We're gonna look up the instructions on the website too, because we definitely don't want to screw anything up, especially with the ABS delete kit. But my understanding is it's gonna replace all these hard lines that go to the ABS unit. That whole unit's going. And then I do have something very special that's going in that place, but that'll be in a different video. Anyways, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're making moves. Philly's nearly got the ABS unit out. It's all disconnected. There's lines everywhere, which is awesome. Thanks so much, Phil.
Absolutely.
Busting his balls out over there, and I'm over here with my nice ice cold ginger ale, just chilling, relaxing. Already got the first brake line switched out. These are really interesting. So comes over to this side, right? And then that's waiting for the new line for the ABS delete kit, which then kind of bolts on here to this block, making sure that these are tightened before you bolt it on. I made the mistake of not tightening these before, so I had to undo here and here again just to retighten these, but now it's all good. And then comes to this little section here, which then goes to the hard line that goes to the caliper. So that's kind of cool, right? Very simple, very easy. Fronts are both identical, so I'm gonna go do the left-hand side there now. Well, yeah, the left-hand side, and then we'll start on the rear as well and get that jacked up. But we're going through this pretty quickly, so we'll definitely have this done very soon. I just pulled this behemoth of a bracket out that was under the ABS unit. Man, that's some serious weight reduction there. That thing weighs like a kilo. That thing is heavy as. And then, I mean, that's my bird's nest here of future sensors that I may or may not wire in. But you know, we'll tuck those down in there. They're not connected up or live or anything like that, so that's fine. Are you okay, Phil, being a professional wire person?
Oh, no, I'm not
electrician?
okay with that.
You're not okay with that?
No.
No? No,
this is terrible.
He does all the electric wiring and stuff on planes, so I'm sure that that's triggering him right now.
Yeah, I can't look at it, otherwise
look at that?
we're gonna have words.
Oh no, please. Okay, so we're just routing brake lines right now. Once we're done with that, we then just got to do the rears and we're finished. We're smashing through this. Oh, and we got to bleed lines too. Yeah, that's got to happen. Okay, so everything's all done now, and we've made ourselves a green tea matcha brake bleeder. We're going to start with the furthest away from the master cylinder, which is rear left, then rear right, then front left, front right. So we're going to bleed everything, go from there. Okay, so currently headlight version Sam. But what I do want to show you is all the room that we've now created there with no longer that ABS unit there. There's going to be a really nice catch can going in there that actually fills up this whole space. So it's going to be really good and cover up all the old plugs and things like that, which will be brilliant. And then just, yeah, like everything was very easy to do. I actually really liked the kit. It was super simple, and yeah, everything just went together so nice. If I can show you down here, like the way the lines here, I'm trying not overexpose the poor camera. Let's see how the lines go down there to that block. It's all so nice and neat and tidy and just all works really, really well. So if you guys are looking at getting an ABS delete kit, I definitely recommend this GKTech one, as well as the braided brake lines. It was very simple and super cost effective too, wasn't expensive. So really happy about how it all looks, and now we don't have those ugly metal lines going across there and everything. Super happy. Okay, cool. So we're going to actually kind of take this out for a maiden voyage, and then we're probably going to go to dinner. So let's get to that. How you going, Phil? This is what I love about headlamps. You can just blind people constantly.
I can't see anything.
You can't see anything now? Okay, sorry.
I might walk into your car.
We're currently on our way to dinner. Chaser's in the rear following. Something, I want to be Chaser, but I'm already Chaser. I can't remember how the song goes. How does it go, babe?
I'm already Chaser.
Something like that. I don't know. Anyways, we're off to, where are we going? Mama's Pasta. What? Mama's
Pasta.
Mama's Pasta. It's a really good Italian restaurant here in Japan. And yeah, we're gonna have some really nice pumpkin gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi? Gnocchi?
I don't know.
How do you pronounce it? Does anyone know how to pronounce it? I don't really care what it's called as long as it's food and it tastes good, because I'm really hungry. Also, my brakes are really spongy, so we definitely need to re-bleed. I probably shouldn't be driving, but shouldn't have said that. Now May's freaking out. Does anyone else think that this power line is trippy? Look at it. That's a really cool looking power line. That is really cool. In Australia we have power lines like that, but they don't look anything like that. They look more like cats in the distance. I mean, everyone from Australia, holler at me in the comment section if you know what I'm talking about. So we're at Mama Pasta, aren't we, Phil?
We are.
Are you gonna get that steak? That looks big enough for you.
Probably not.
Probably not, yeah. We're at Mama Pasta, so we're gonna get pasta, but I was just enjoying the English menu. It has their soft drink, and then it has coffee, espresso, cafe latte, cappuccino, and other weird coffees and milk teas, and like, that's a really interesting soft drink. Anyways, you get my point. What is dulce? Dulce.
Dolce.
What's that? Is that Italian?
Yes, means sweet.
Oh. I have Italian blood in me, and I didn't even know what that meant.
You didn't even know
There we go.
what cafe au lait meant.
Oh yeah, so cafe au lait. I thought it was like cafe au lait or something.
No, cafe au lait is coffee with milk.
Isn't that French?
That's latte.
Oh, French is... I'm a terrible coffee person, guys. I'm a very bad person. Okay, we're gonna order dinner and then we'll show you what we get. So this is the vegetable and bacon pizza, apparently. It seems like it's covered mostly in mushrooms though, but I'm still keen because pizza is pizza. And we've got the chili oil, so that'll make things much better. It's time for dessert, and this is what I got. But this is the best thing. You get to pick what you want off this table with this lovely waitress. It's kind of fun. And she drawed like this little thing here with teaspoons and things and gave me a peach. It's great. And the gelati looks amazing. Oh my gosh. May's getting, what do you call it? Gelati?
Gelato.
Gelato? Gelati? Okay.
There.
I feel like that's an Australian thing. They call it gelati, I'm pretty sure. Or I'm wrong.
Or you could just be wrong.
I could just be wrong.
We'll just go with you're wrong.
Can I just say that it's like, I don't like being wrong, so I think that's an Australian thing. I don't know. Isn't it amazing how tiny? Oh, look, you even got the pinky extended. How small that espresso cup is in Phil's hands.
You know what they say about guys with big hands? They need small cups.
Look at these two rivals. Nissan Skyline. This is Toyota Chaser. Which one would you pick? I know which one's got more horsepower, but you guys might not. Oh, Phil's popping his hood. He's showing off. Oh.
There's a lot more room over here now.
Yo, there's so much more room now that you deleted the J-pipe.
Yeah, it's all up here. This is all gone because there was a lot.
Yeah. Normally there's this huge pipe that goes all the way along here.
I had to zip tie my blow off valve.
You zip tied the bob. Nice, dude.
Yeah, you can actually see the turbocharger now.
Hell yeah. You can actually get down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was all crammed before.
So if you don't know, on the JZXs, the VVTi 1Js have this J-pipe hideous thing that comes through here and covers all of that. The worst thing about it is that you just can't get to anything under there without taking it off. It's kind of like the J-pipe thing that's on the Skylines, you know, the pipe that comes over the top here like that. People call that the J-pipe on the Skylines as well. Same, really. But the best thing I think I love about JZ's is you can get to the coil pack cover without anything over that. With the J-pipe there, could you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just off to the side, hey.
Yeah, it was all right here.
Yeah.
Over the what it is it's the same piece that's on the twin turbos. They just block the back of it up.
Yeah. There you go.
But it's, yeah, I can actually get to
Right
everything.
here, and then there's no.
Oh yeah, one of them was missing, and then I just
May, you're not supposed to point those things out
no.
to car guys.
Point it out.
1, 2.
Yeah, they're alternating.
Oh,
too.
dude, she's burning you right now, man.
Fine.
Well, it makes your car go faster, babe. Weight reduction.
Yeah, the real reduction is I have no glove box.
Yes, weight reduction. Do you know that?
Add
Do you know?
lightness.
Yes.
Well, you should take the chairs out.
That's also why I go driving without you. Weight reduction.
That's rude.
On our way home now, guys. It was such a fun day being able to hang out with Phil and work on the car together. I think the last time we saw each other was like at least like 6 months ago. It's been a while. So really rad. Get to have dinner with him as well. I think tomorrow we're going to hang out again. I'm going to go to base because we need to finish up the brake lines. We didn't end up doing the rears just due to time. So we'll do those tomorrow as well as the clutch line. And then we might also install a new catch cam which goes in the place of where the ABS unit used to be and things like that. So I think that's going to be pretty fun. We'll get to do that on base in the hobby shop as well, so that'll be cool. But anyways, we're nearly home, so we'll pick it up from there. Just got home and I started editing, and I must say that today's like been a really good day. Super chill, relaxing, got to do a bit of work on the car, then hang out with Phil, obviously, like while we're working on the car. Like that's always good, you know what I mean? Like working on cars with friends and stuff like that, that's always really relaxing. And then going out to dinner and just having a really good time, really good food. I was just looking at the footage, I completely missed to film any of the mains. I'm really sorry. I'm a big foodie, so the moment like good food's in front of me and I'm enjoying it, I just forget about everything else. So I really need to, I don't know. Anyways, just a really good day. I don't feel stressed, I feel super relaxed, ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, tomorrow's video is gonna be fun. All right, cool. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you thought in the comment section. I do read every single one of your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment, smash that like button. See you in the next one. じゃあまたね。